Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. So in today's video guys, I will show you how you can make 2D intro for your channel only using Camtasia Studio without need of After Effects or Vegas Pro or any complicated software, and within just a few minutes, in less than 2 minutes, you can make your perfect intro for your channel. So just follow this video, keep watching this video till the end and don't skip any minute. Here guys, here is the Camtasia Studio. You need only to go to library and here search for Camtasia. Here Camtasia, as you can see, folder, library folder, and here search for intros, and as you can see here, intros, and there is a lot of intros that you can make for your channel. For example, this one, and all you need guys is just drag and drop and change the text on this intro. As you can see, for example, if you like this intro, just all you need to do is click here and change it to your channel name. For example, my channel name, Fix It Free. Let's try it, Fix It Free. And here, for example, is write welcome, or new video. You can make your website also. I will make my website here, fixitfree.com. And as you can see, here we go, and here is the intro. You can cut it anywhere here if you see that the end is taking so much time. If you want only that quick animation, for example this animation, you can cut it here like this and delete this part, and then combine it with your part of the video using those translation here. Using those translation, just choose one of the translation that you see here. For example, this one. For example, this is the beginning of my video and this is my intro. So your intro goes like this, and then translation go to the video. So thank you guys, I hope you like this video. This video is about how to make your intro for the channel for free and without need of any design knowledge or any complicated software. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix It Free. Thank you guys.